Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael, and today we are going to be having some fun with some plastic bottle explosions. So if y'all are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget the notification bells, because that will let you know when we post new videos. So with that said, let's see what kind of ammunition we got today.
What's up, old son? Oh, let me tell y'all something. We're gonna have fun today. We got some Diet Coke. We got some normal Coke, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what else we got. We got Sprite. Oh, hold up, give me a minute. What's this? No caffeine free Diet Coke. And good old Pepsi, you know what I'm saying? What else we got here? Mr. Pibb. Hold on, I know I'm not done. We got Coke Zero. And last but not least, we got some good old root beer. You understand?
I think it's gonna be fun.
So y'all stay tuned and see which one of these shoots the furthest. Cause to be honest, I think Diet Coke's gonna win. Cause
I don't know, we're gonna see. We're gonna see.
Well, this has no caffeine, so it ain't gonna, oh God, it's not gonna work. But anyway, y'all stay tuned and get ready for us.
Let's go do it.
Some Cokes. All right, y'all, so as you know, I'm not in the trunk anymore, but I got some Diet Coke, and I'm gonna try this one first.
You can try Diet, and I'm gonna try Coke Zero.
All right, so
you go first. You go first. Shake it up.
I'm not done. Oh, I got this. I will not let this thing beat me. No!
I'm gonna try the Sprite.
Alright, hold it, son. What is wrong? Something ain't working right here. That worked. So let's see what I got next.
I'll try the Sprite. I think Sprite will do pretty good.
Oh man. Where's the sprinkler? Got old Pepsi. God bless. I got it.
Did you do the Diet Coke yet?
Yeah.
You did?
Oh my God. Hold up. Got it.
Let's try the flip.
Blew up. Hold up, son.
That was pretty good.
Oh.
I want to see one like rocket.
Here. Look, open it a little bit.
All right. You can shake it good?
Yeah. I don't know what this is.
I don't think you. Oh, let me try it. I'm gonna bust the tab off.
Hold it, son.
Ready? Straight down.
It ain't working. Something ain't right.
You gotta throw it harder. You gotta throw it harder.
I got this Coke. I'm done. Here you go. Huh? All son?
Mine sound like those bowling pins.
Hold up.
This.
Take these cracky things off.
Come on, don't let it whoop you. Don't let it whoop you. That's pretty good.
No.
I
One's
want to see
getting...
one rocket though.
Yeah.
Ready?
Hold up.
Getting better.
I don't know what this is, but... No! Oh, hold up, son. Oh, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Did you
Well, I missed the brakes.
It's kind of slippery.
Oh, so.
Oh, sorry.
No!
Oh, no. That didn't work.
Right here?
I thought it would, like, you know, blast the cap off or something.
Well, it did. Oh, man.
What about this? Oh, let's see.
No, look. I'm getting this. No! It's slippery. There we go. Right. Get one there.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's because the wrapper's on here. It's got to be what it is. It's got to be the wrapper. Take the wrapper right here.
Come on.
All right, here we go.
It shot all right. Man, I ain't going for that.
Okay. I'm good. I think Diet Coke is doing pretty good. Let's see. Oh, it's spewing.
You son? You good? Let's go! Ah!
Watch out. Here we go.
Oh, man, you serious? Now I feel like Coke. Look, son. Look. Since that's what they're going to go ahead and already do, might as well go and take that off.
What are you doing?
I'm about to give me a bath.
Oh, you finna take a bath?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
All right, boys. Tell these people something real quick. So what's this? Zero. Hey, this guy's zero sugar, so it might not be so sticky. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna pour this on my head. So why not? Oh well. Hold up, stop. Give me a minute. Give me about 5 seconds. Hold up. All right, boys. I am back. Don't you do it. You ready, son? Come on, son. Pour that one on me, too. Come on, at the same time. Come on, pour it on me at the same time.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. All right. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Bath time.
Let's go. Ah! Let's get it.
Oh, God, I don't like this feeling.
It's sticky on you.
All right, stick you in.
Anyway, do we have anything left?
We got Sprite.
Here, give it to me. I'm wet. All right, boy. No! Hey guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that. If you like that, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm hitting the shower. Peace.
Y'all take care. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.